Believe it or not, on my way to Lakeview from Utah, I got held up by a cattle drive. And there's a cowboy. And there's another real cowboy. So I'm just going to let them take their time. They look like Black Angus. Going to market. There's a calf, a little vealer. They're very tasty. Cows aren't in too much of a hurry. About 3 miles an hour is all I'm getting out of it right here. There's a big truck coming up behind me. He's going to be pissed. Looks like they're driving them off the highway up here a ways. This is open range country, by the way. Okay, that's enough of that.